Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Karen Beverly from Toy Story. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a circle for the first eye. And then a smaller one underneath on the bottom right. Now let's add a circle inside the bottom of each one. And color these both in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw 3 lines up for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve across. And then let's curve it in underneath each end. And another curve across the bottom. Then hop in and let's add a border inside. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a curve up. And another one down underneath. And then on the right side, let's draw a straight line down. Continue it below the eye. And then down underneath the mouth. And then for the left side, let's angle it in. And close it off with a line across at the bottom that's a little bit longer on each side. Now we're going to hop inside the head and let's draw 3 small dots on an angle on the left and 1 more underneath here. And then 3 dots underneath the right eye. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw the hair. Let's start by adding a flower on the top right with 2 curves down for the first petal. And then let's add 4 more petals to form the shape of the flower. And then let's add a circle in the center. Now for the hair, let's start underneath the flower. Let's bring it across to the left and curve it down. And then let's do the same thing on top. Now let's close it off at the end. Now we're going to add another strand of hair on top in the same way. Let's draw 2 curves down and out. And then close it off at the end. Now for the right side, let's start by drawing a curve down to the mouth and continue it underneath. Now let's hop out and let's draw the next piece with 2 curves down. And close it off at the end. And then let's add 1 more, bringing it down and out. And close it off as well. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's start on the side of the neck and let's draw a curve down, around, and back up. And let's do the same thing around it like this. Now let's hop in, and inside on the right, let's add a curve. Now let's add the sides of the body with a wavy line down on each end. And then let's add a wavy line across the bottom. Now from each end, let's draw a line down, and then another wavy line underneath. Now let's hop inside the body and let's draw a star on the bottom right corner. And then another smaller one underneath. Then next to it, let's add a small circle with a dot in the center. Now that we have the main part of the body, let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a wavy line out and up. And the same thing underneath. Now for the fingers, let's bring it out and curve it back around with a wavy line. Now for the next one, let's add a bump up and add a curve down inside. And for the last finger, let's draw a curve down and bring it back up and in underneath. And that's it for the left side. Now let's hop over to the right side. For this one, let's draw a curve up, bring it out at the top, and then curve it down and out. Now let's do the same thing underneath. Now let's add the first finger with the curve out and back in. Then inside, let's curve it up and around. Now for the next finger, let's add a curve up on top and a curve down inside. And then another one behind and a curve inside as well. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 bumpy lines down underneath the body. And then a wavy line across. And then inside, let's add a few bumpy lines. Now for the feet, let's draw 2 small angles out from the sides. And then 2 longer angles inside like this. And close off the ends with a curve. Now top inside and let's add a border along the bottom. And that's it for Karen Beverly. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!